Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Hipclip. So Hipclip is a tool that lets you edit your video very fast. Once you upload your video, it is going to give you the transcription of that, and with that transcription you can super easily edit your video. You can also create short clips from your long videos and you do not even have to pick the short clips by yourself. Hipclip has an AI that is going to automatically pick the best moments from your long videos and then turn them into short clips. And the great news is Hipclip is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $400, but at AppSumo you are getting this tool at only $49. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So here are all of the features. And these are some of the tiers that you can buy from AppSumo. The tier 1 costs $49. Here you have 4 hours of transcription every month. But if you want to increase this limit, you have to choose the last tier 2 where you get 10 hours of transcription. On the tier 3, you get 24 hours. There is also tier 4 where you get 40 hours of transcription every month. So if you want to buy Hipclip on a lifetime deal from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you're new to AppSumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let's go to the dashboard of Hipclip. After you log into Hipclip, you're going to get this dashboard. And this is the file section. So all of the files that you upload, all of the clips that you generate, they are going to be on here. And you can also create a new folder on this file section in order to organize your files. And there are also some other options such as this exports. So all the videos that you export after editing, they are going to be stored on here. So now let me show you how Hipclip works. Let's go to files. And what I want to do is convert media to text for video editing. And now I have to upload my video. And there are multiple ways to do that. You can upload from your computer or Google Drive. You can import from Drive, Zoom, Dropbox, or also OneDrive. And keep in mind the maximum file size is 2 GB. So let's upload a file from my computer. So as you can see, I am now uploading a file and the uploading speed is also pretty good. Okay, so after uploading my file, I have got the full transcription of this video, the file that I uploaded. And something I have noticed is that the transcription is super accurate. It couldn't be more accurate. As you can see, it has even picked words like AppSumo. So I have used some other AI video editors and they are not really good at picking uncommon words. But I think Hipclip has done an excellent job. So now with this transcription, you can edit your video, and this transcription is also your subtitle. So if you find any of these words to be inaccurate, you can also edit that. So for example, this word is inaccurate. So now I want to change it. So all I have to do is double click on this word and now this box is going to open. Now I can edit this word. I can remove this and add some other words in order to change the subtitle. And on this transcription, you can super easily cut your video, which means trim your video. So for example, I want to remove this. You can create multiple workspaces. This whole part from my video, I want to trim this part. So all I have to do is select it and then I have to press the delete button on my keyboard, and as you can see, it is now removed. So now if I play the video, so on sidekick, and then you can add team members to. So as you can see, now this part has been removed. So just like this, you can select any part of your video and then all you have to do is press the delete button on your keyboard. This way you can super easily trim your video with this transcription. And also these dots you are seeing, these are the silences that are detected by the AI. So you can also remove them. Just like before, all you have to do is press the delete button on your keyboard and they are going to be deleted. And you can also mark certain sections on your video using this transcript. For example, you want to mark this first line. So I'm just going to select it and then you can click on this mark, or you can also simply press H on your keyboard. And as you can see, this part is now marked. And for example, from this video, I want to pick a clip. I only want to clip this part. Now all I have to do is just click on this clip. I can also press C on my keyboard and then I have to provide the clip name. Click on create clip. So as you can see, now we have got the clip that we selected. Now you can only edit this. You can remove the silences or do whatever you want. But you do not always have to pick these short clips manually. You can also leave this task to the AI. Let me show you. So once again, let's go back to the dashboard and let's open our original file. Now in order to automatically pick the best moments, pick the best short clips, you can simply click on this AI clips and now the AI is going to generate some clips. So as you can see from this video, the AI has came up with 3 clips. Now in order to open any of these clips, all you have to do is just click on this clip. So let's open this first one. So as you can see, now we have got the clip, and this clip was not selected by me. It was completely generated or picked by AI from my original file. So obviously the original file that I uploaded, it is about 50 seconds. But if you upload longer videos such as 30 minutes or 1 hour, so AI is going to come up with more clips, not only 3, probably like 10 or 15. So this is super helpful because you do not have to pick the short clips manually. AI is going to do that for you. And another feature on Hipclip is this fillers. So you can super easily remove the filler words, which means the these types of words. The AI is going to detect all of them, and then on this box you're going to see how many filler words you have, and if you click on apply, the AI is going to remove all of those filler words. Just like this, you can also remove the silences, and you can also see the profanity in your videos and also the buzzwords. And then you have this caption section, so you can super easily add caption. So the transcription that you have got, that is exactly what is going to be the caption or the subtitle. And if you come over to this caption section, you can select the font style or the caption style. So there are a lot of fonts. For example, I want to choose this one. And as you can see, the caption is now added. You can also reposition this caption. All you have to do is just drag it wherever you want. So let me position it on here. And once you position it, you are also going to get some options such as you can change the font of the subtitle, you can change the text color, the background, you can add effects, you can also bring this caption up or down. And now if I play this video, you can see the caption platform. For example, if you have multiple accounts on Facebook, you can log into all of them. So as you can see, this is how the caption is going to work. And then you can also upload your image files in order to add them to your video. So you have to come to this upload and then upload your file. So let me upload one. So these are 2 images that I uploaded. And in order to add the image, I have to just click on that particular image. So as you can see, the image is now added to the video. Now I can fill canvas with this image or fit the canvas, bring it down, bring it up or delete it. I can also make it smaller or larger, whatever I want. And I can also position it wherever I want. So let me just delete this one. And there is another feature on Hipclip that I really like. That is this framing. You can resize or adjust the frame of your video, make it portrait or landscape. But in order to show you that feature, I'm going to upload another video. So now I'm uploading another video in order to show you the framing feature. So as you can see, this is the clip that I uploaded. So what I really like about this one is that it can bring your speaker in the middle in order to shift all the focus to that speaker. So if you go to this portrait for short clipping on the upper side and also the bottom side, there is so much empty space. So in order to fill it up, you have to click on the video, left click, and then you can simply choose this fill canvas. And as you can see now, the speaker has came to the middle section. So now if I play the video.
But with Hipclip, you can edit videos faster than ever. Editing content every single day for every single post.
So as you can see now, it looks so much better as a short clip because it is zoomed in and also the speaker is in the middle so that he has all the focus. So once your video editing is completely ready, you can export your video. You can export it as video, audio, TXT file, or also copy it to clipboard. So overall, Hipclip is an excellent tool that lets you edit your video super fast with transcription. You can trim your video, you can pick clips, or you can also let the AI pick clips for you. And you can also adjust the frame to make sure the speaker is in the right focus. You can also add subtitles, add images to your videos. So I think Hipclip is an amazing AI video editor. And if you want to buy it from AppSumo on a lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you're going to get all of these features. And these are 3 tiers that you can buy from AppSumo. There is also latest tier 4. So if you are new to AppSumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description. And once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this. And on this box, you have to provide your email. Then click on unlock my 10%. And then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from AppSumo credits gift. And this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.